You need a faceless porn card. Yeah, see? And guess who printed those cards?
I get it. With faceless porn.
That's content without a face. You get it?
Like pointed to you.
Exactly. Plagiarism. Repurpose your content. See? Pretty good. I got a pretty good from Drew. I'll take a pretty good, bro. That's my homie hustling. So we're all in this together, man. You know what I mean? We're all out here promoting something, meeting something. Yeah, babe, say hi. Yeah, appreciate you. Yeah. And that's it, dude. I'm gonna go pee, bro. I'm fucking just ready. No, sorry, it's needed. I'm fucking been done doing it. So we're here live at the AVNs. Say what's up. Oh, she's got to take a picture. The AVNs live. AVNs live.